What is up, brothers? What is up? What is up, my gang? What's up? Gang, man, what's up? Throwing up gang signs, you know what I mean? we out here throwing, we out here throwing gang signs. Okay. But yeah, today, the Reaper arrived. No notifications, and it hasn't even shown up as being here at my house yet. So who knows? Maybe there'll be like a coincidence, and maybe, just maybe, I'll get the money back, even though I have it. But nah, well, that depends. We'll see. We'll see if the notifications update, because technically I did get like a tracking number, but it didn't work. It didn't work at all. So I never really got any of the progress of this guy. So I was skeptical for a moment, but he is here, and we about to get into this. And yes, I have Queso on the TV. I'm just based like that. He's a comfort streamer, all right, I must say. One more fact: there are quite a few Sunstar props that I'm actually quite a fan of, that I actually really like, and this one right here is actually one of them. So yeah, I hung like a very bright flashlight over head here, so now you can at least see around here now. So you can see the box in the Haunted Hill Farm logo. Whoa. Let's get it on. Like Donkey Kong. Why does his head look so squished? Look at that. His head looks so squished. I swear it does. Look at his forehead. Damn! Look at my fucking forehead, man. Anyways. Yeah, its face isn't made of like a latex or anything. It's just like plastic. They just cut around some areas so that way the mouth could, move. So, yeah. One, two, three, four. I want to see these. Let me see this here. Blah, blah, blah. Let me look at these. That doesn't matter. Um, Here's the little thing that they give you for some things. You can look through it. I've been seeing a lot of listings of this one, like for pretty cheap on eBay. I've been missing all of them sadly, but I actually do have the Bride, and I got it from like a catalog, I think, or my parents got me it when I was like littler from like a catalog, and it broke, and I think this one would be the perfect replacement, because obviously it's the same thing. So.
Where's the spray?
Same with this one. There's been some pretty cheap listings of this one on eBay as well.
Okay, so someone else is in there with you. It wouldn't surprise me because it's kind of creeped me out right now. All right, let's change the bedding. There we go.
Okay, I think I get it.
Everything's done. Time to go home.
So this little catalog though.
This place gives me a weird feeling today. Anyway, it's done. Time to leave. Yeah, probably because the blood that was in the sink. Yeah. Let's go home. No, we got
It's
it
a
done.
wimpy rubber band.
Am I tweaking?
There's another wimpy rubber band.
I could have sworn I heard other footsteps, but I think I'm tweaking. Let's just go home.
Let's see here. Let's start off here.
Let's get out of here.
We've got our
That's Ringo's line.
Is there somebody
we've
behind
got
me?
our ingredients.
Am I tweaking?
Let's start building.
Oh, those are flowers. Never mind. We're good. Chill
You
out.
take the moon and you take the sun.
I
Take
thought this
everything
was like
that
somebody
seems
else's
like
shirt.
fun.
We're all right. Yeah, let's go home.
It's a Crunch Matches of Big Apple, Eagles, Giants, Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern, only on Prime.
We picked up some delicious Domino's pizzas, like the viral pizza. And we want to see more. So we're bringing back Domino's.
Look at this. I'm still gonna rag on that ghost. I'm still gonna talk shit to the ghost over there, and how its base was so wonky. How just none of the legs wanted to go in most of the time. I'm still gonna talk that talk, man. It's deserved.
Nervous, man. Most of the time, cleaning the cabin is pretty uneventful. Sometimes people leave a mess. Sometimes they don't. There have been a few times when things got disturbing. Like the weekend I found a dark stain under the bed. It looked like blood. But the guests claimed it was just spilled juice.
Awesome. I just want to make sure that the bases,
Another
you know,
time, the bathroom mirror
nice
was
and,
turned to
you
face
know,
the wall.
legs are nice and in
No
there, you know.
explanation. I
Making
asked,
sure that
of
the
course,
legs
and always the same
are
answer.
nice and in there.
That wasn't us. No idea. We didn't even notice. Yeah, I'm sure you didn't. Over time, I stopped making a big deal out of these things. As long as nothing's broken or missing, I just let it go. That's how you gotta be.
There we go. We got all kinds of
A group of 3 teenage
metal
guys had the
holes
cabin
in this
I hope it wasn't
probably
too
here.
bad. Judging by the 0 of 28 cleanup messes, I think it was a big party.
I'm definitely interested to get one of the Haunted Hill Farm Sunstar / Morris costumes items. I think that have like those bases, those metal like just kind of like square bases, like the proper bases.
Golly, man.
I'm very curious on if I can get my hands on one of those
It's
ones.
5 gifts from who?
If I'm able to, I'll probably get the pop-up head girl one. You know, the one that was. That's kind of like a knockoff of, the one.
All right, let's see how bad they did the cabin. Lord have mercy. Are you kidding me? Bruh! Just disrespectful. See, this is what you get into when you go into the Airbnb rent out houses thing. Because you have somebody do your stuff like this, all of a sudden you want them dead. Golly, I mean, just could not have done any more. You know what I mean? Hey, money's money though, Chad. Of course, who spills crap on the carpet like this? I need to clean it. Ooh, that looked green. Somebody took a
There we go. Here's everything. We got some specific special parts here. I'm thinking that these might be for the wings. Alrighty.
So I took a dude ski. Take the trash out. Can't believe the trash is an overflow, Jack. Can't believe that. What did you just say, you disgusting loser? I got school tomorrow. Good night, W Stream. I hope you fail all your classes. So you're leaving because you got school tomorrow. Really? You think that's an excuse for you to leave? You really think that's a valid excuse for you to leave this stream right now?
Ah, I
because you
see.
got school tomorrow?
Put one of these here. And then,
You're banned.
boom. Oh, this guy's gonna be tall. Yeah, I can already tell he's gonna be taller than the ghost. He's gonna be taller.
Have a good night.
I have a feeling, at least.
Good luck at school tomorrow.
Actually, it might be the same size. It depends, really. Oh my gosh. He's out of frame now. His base is out of frame now. Alright, okay. Hope you know what that means.
Won't you get to a real business like this?
We're switching, oh gosh, we're switching,
Died in for
here we are now.
$70 a night instead of going to school. Won't you get your money up? You up here going to school, won't you get into business like this?
There's that. I don't really want to point the flashlight over there. I'm gonna blind myself. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Over making bread with this Airbnb right here. $79 a night.
Gosh, the flashlight actually got so hot. Yikes. It's a good flashlight, I must say.
Pizza box in the bathtub.
Okay. Let's move these boxes
Why is the
out of here.
plate on the toilet?
Okay, here. Let's see. Need to figure out what this is about here.
Maybe I should just set it on fire and build a new cabin. Would probably be faster. Yes, it would. Wait, what message did I just see?
Oh,
Did somebody
oh, they're
talk
supposed to.
about I
These
thought that
are
was
supposed to
watching
be for like
YouTube
the
on
ground.
Instagram.
If when you put them out, if you're gonna put them outside, these little things are like stakes that go to the that go onto like the base and then into the ground. Oh my gosh, Haunted Hill Farm / Sunstar, you're awesome. That is genuinely awesome. So that way he doesn't get knocked over easily in the wind. This ghost right here needs to have that. This ghost standing right here, he needs to have that. Sunstar and Haunted Hill Farm, you ahead of the game. You ahead of it compared to that ghost. Guys, any other directions?
We had too much last night. Way too much. How many people?
I don't know.
Maybe like 20.
Well, now really all we need to do, we just gotta put
I
them
only
onto the
rented it out to
base,
3 people.
pose them up,
Yo, Hex with the 5.
and then you'll be
Thank you,
complete.
Hex. W Hex with the 5. Appreciate that.
But before that, we're gonna put batteries in them, obviously. And so I'll be right back. I'm gonna be honest, I feel like it's gonna need better batteries than dollar store batteries, but we're gonna see. Put them on the base. Put them on the base.
Where's the last thing to clean up at?
Put them on the base.
Chat,
Make
bro,
sure
why
you don't
y'all
leave no
so short
trace.
here?
Oh yeah, he's bigger. Like he's
Wait,
like
where's the,
slightly
where's the last thing I
taller
gotta clean up at?
than the one. Also, let me get this off of him. It's hanging down too much. I want to cut it.
Oh, it's right
Look at
here.
how long this is.
Everything's
Look at
done.
how
It's ready to
unnecessarily
go.
long. Look at how long this is. I don't even know if you I know you cannot see this clearly,
I'm out.
but it's too long. So I'm just gonna snip at it. So just there we go. Much better.
All right, let's go home again.
Too much
That
X.
was a rough one, but you know what?
Too much extra. Too much extra creepy cloth.
Yo,
Also, I
Lizzie
like how you can
Five
actually
said,
access his
"Lizzie
back
Five,
too. They made like an opening here. Genuinely happy about that.
worse than drunk teenagers in the cabin. Always a mess. That guy who just disappeared called me the next day. He apologized for the mess and explained that he was so embarrassed he just ran off. It didn't bother me. At least I didn't have to deal with kicking him out. You know what? I appreciate that guy for at least like leaving. You know what I mean? Like I appreciate that. Yo, Chef Seth for another 1,000 bits. I did pin my bits, and I'm saying that I'm in the United States Air Force, about to leave my base and go live in South Dakota. I've been in the Air Force for 7 years, but trust me, I pinned my bits. You've been in the Air Force for 7 years, but you don't know how to pin bits. That's crazy. How you been in the Air Force for 7 years? You out here flying airplanes, and you don't know how to pin bits.
Hang on, you gotta look at this guy's
You
pose
just
right
learned
now.
how to do that. And now you talking about you pin. Nah, I'm playing. Appreciate that, Chef. Chef, for real. Thank you. I appreciate you for the bits, bro. Thank you. Yo, Dookie.
Look at this pose I put him in. I did that by accident. Look at him. That's a sick pose I put him in by accident with. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me stretch out the wings a little more here. Because I definitely need it. I don't need it. I need it!
Jammo with 1,000 bits. Sorry, I'm a disgusting loser and didn't pin my bits the first time because you read my previous bits. See, at least you owned up to it. What's your previous bits say? Hey, Cakes, my Latina wife Jan and I watch your spooky time every night.
I don't wish his head was a little lower.
If you could wish her a happy birthday from her little tortilla, much love, thank you. Yo, happy birthday, Jan.
I guess that means you can stay in this pose because it actually... Wait a minute. Wait. Oh no! What is he doing with his hands? No! 6, 7. Oh. What a way to ruin a number. What a way to ruin a number, man. But yeah, there you go. That's basically him.
What are we doing?
Gosh, there's so much glue in his mouth. I don't know if you can see it, but you know what? I think at this point, since I'm basically done setting him up, I might as well take the camera off the tripod.
1 week later, a young couple rented this place this weekend. Let's hope things go smoothly today. Why is there a car here? Are they still here? You gotta be kidding me. They're still here? I hate when people overstay. You real for that. Why is the front door open? Where are they? I hope they're packing up. Why is it open? Hello? Who's in here? You let the front door open. Yo, T with the 5. Huh? The carpet's been moved.
ADHD is taking control of me right now.
No way, was this here all along?
Them little pills she put me on. Was
What?
Benadryl.
Though there's one thing I don't like, he didn't come with a button. Or like a little tiny button to press on him. That kind of sucks. Well, I mean, the Groundbreaker guy didn't, so I don't know why I'm complaining about this now. Well, there you go. There he is. I mean, you can't really see him exactly all too well. But there he is.
I forgot to tell you, Jay.
I just tested him like a little bit. The batteries do work on him, but clearly just not like to the full potential. I mean, he still moves around, he glows his eyes and everything, but I feel like the Ravok batteries could do him a little bit more justice. Because when he moves his mouth, his audio goes a little weird, and that includes like the lights dimming down in the eyes. I guarantee that the Ravox would do wonders compared to, the dollar store batteries that are in him right now. So, yeah. He fully works. Demo of him will actually be tomorrow, because I don't really want to film him in this dark space. And, I really need to get on it with buying Ravok batteries. Because I feel like those are the real deal, huh? I guess, well, not entirely. I mean, I think that ghost over there was just straight up just being picky. Just being picky, man. But that's all. Thank you for watching. And I will see you when I see you with either another bear or a demo of this guy or soon to be more Halloween props.